Hello everyone, now I will give you some brief explanation about this course. So the total number of lecture on this course is 190 lectures and the total hours is almost 24 hours. So before you step into the programming or creating the contract, so I just want you to know first what is blockchain, why do you need to learn it, especially Ethereum, and what are the benefits of using this technology, and how the market will grow in the future on this blockchain and Ethereum section. And on the Learn Remix section, you just learn to use this editor. We will create a very simple smart contract, compile, deploy and interacting with it, and knowing some Ethereum test networks. So I just want to make sure that you are not confusing anymore about using this Remix editor in the next section. And on the Learn Solidity section, you will learn all the Solidity features from variable, value types, functions, object-oriented programming such as inheritance, interface, and the Solidity reference types such as array, struct, mapping, and the Solidity events, libraries, Solidity storage and memory data location, assembly, and the last section, how to destroy your smart contract. Then after you know how to code using all the Solidity features, then you will start creating a more advanced Lucky Draw smart contract. In here we also build a simple framework from scratch that will contain all the files related to Lucky Draw applications. And then you will also learn how to automate testing your Lucky Draw smart contract to test the smart contract functionality and remove the bug. And in here you also learn how to use web3.js to interact with the smart contract in Ring-B Ethereum test network and using your Lucky Draw applications. So in the Truffle section, you will start learning to use the world-class Ethereum framework. Many of the Ethereum libraries and projects out there are always built to be compatible with this framework. You will use it to build the food supply chain decentralized applications. So in Rhea and Net.js section, you will learn the basic skills of Rhea and Net.js because you will use these skills to build the front end of the food supply chain applications. And in Build Food Supply Chain section, you will start to build your food supply chain application and almost 7 hours to learn all this. And you are not yet finishing this course. In Create ERC20 token section, you will learn how to build your own token or cryptocurrency that follow the same standard with all the existing tokens out there, such as ERC20 token standard. Because building the tokens must be very secure. So in last section, Token Security Audit or Checklist, you will learn the basic token security skills to audit your token to find the token bugs, errors, and vulnerabilities.